The National Weather Service in Mobile, Alabama has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Choctaw County, Alabama, northeast Wayne County, Mississippi. At 4 p.m. a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles south of Crandall, or 14 miles northeast of Waynesboro, moving northeast at 40 mph. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impacts: flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Choctaw County and northeastern Wayne counties. If you are outside, take shelter immediately.